Hi guys, welcome back to another quick and short video. In today's video, I am going to give you code for an EA that you can use to close trades. Somebody asked me the other day, how come you don't share some of your code? I thought I basically show you guys what to do on screen, but I've realized that some of you still want to get the actual code that I have. So I've made a decision that some of the code that we're going to create, that I'm going to create with you here, I'm basically just going to share with you guys. And you can actually even plug the code that I would have given you back onto FXDREEMA, and you can edit it yourself. So today we are going to just go over a robot that you can put on your MetaTrader 4. Unfortunately, it's MetaTrader 4 because I am using the free version of FXDREEMA. And then you can basically go upload the code here, and you can just make some tweaks to it if you want, or you can basically just look at it, study it, then from there maybe you can work as something for yourself. Sometimes it's good to look at something and then learn from it, maybe not just seeing videos. So this is a request from some of you guys that you actually want to put your hands on some of the code that I've been creating on this channel. So I'm going to start sharing that code with you, then you are free to do basically what you want with it. So yeah, without talking too much, the link for downloading the code will be in the description box below. When you download it, you're going to get the MQL4 or MQ4 file. Then what you're going to do is you're going to log into your FXDREEMA. FXDREEMA, you can open a free account. You don't need to pay anything, and it's where you can actually see these buttons, this menu. You cannot see it without logging into your account, and the good thing is you can open a free account on FXDREEMA. So after downloading that code, you are going to come into your account and you are going to go where it says projects. You go where it says projects, and you are going to say to go where it says import project. On FXDREEMA, we can import projects based on files that are XML, MQ4, and MQ5 files. So this will be for another platform. I don't know if XML works on MetaTrader as such, but I'll find out. But I know definitely MQ4 is MT4 and MQ5 is MT5. Previously, how I understood it, maybe it has changed. You can only work with MQ4 and MQ5 files that were originally developed on FXDREEMA. So you I don't know if it's changed, but previously you couldn't just add any MQ4 MQ5 file. It needs to have been originally created on FXDREEMA. So it's important that you just understand that. But in any case, you are going to come here where it says import project, and you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you to your downloads folder, and you're just going to find the folder that you'd have downloaded, and we're going to click on that so that we load it. So this is the code that we basically downloaded from the blog, and you can study it from here. Basically here we have buttons that we have when we put the robot onto our chart. It draws two buttons. One is for closing the buys and one is closing the sells. And in it, basically this section is telling the robot what happens on initialization. When it starts, what do you want it to do? So when the robot, the moment we place it on our chart, we want it to draw two buttons, one for closing buys, one for closing sells. Then we come here where it says on chart. We want the robot to look at the particular instances or events that happens on our chart. So when we click one button, or when click the other button, what do we want it to do? We want it to close profitable trades, and it closes what? The losing trades. That's basically what our robot is going to be doing. So in for people who don't want to like go through their terminal where they'll be closing 100 trades or something like that, so this is how you do it. Then on DINIT, when we so this is on de-initialization. When we remove the robot off our chart, what do we want it to do? We want it to delete what? The objects that it added to the charts in the first place. We don't want the moment we remove our robot and these buttons remain. We want it the moment we remove our robot, these buttons to be removed as well. So that's basically it. So download the file. The link is in the description box below. Then you can come here, import a project and load it onto your FXDREEMA, and then you can basically play with the buttons. Maybe you want to add some more functions, or maybe you want to do some other things to it, and then from there you can name it whatever you want. Basically maybe you call it whatever you want, really done, and then you can download the executable file, or you can still download it as MQ4. But yeah, this is for people who are saying that I need to share some of the code that I've been working on with you guys. The purpose of this channel is to give you an idea of what you need to do in order to create your own forex robots. So yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing on this channel. So I think from now on I'll be sharing some of the code that we are making together, so that you can look at the code that I have and compare it with the code that you have, all the steps that you have taken, and you can see whether we have the same thing or something like that. Guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.